Microphone check. What is this?
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy, and I'm bringing you a dunk straight from the grave. Let's go. What's going on, y'all? I'm bringing y'all this Junkyard Jewel 1970 Impala photo. Yes, sir. Photo hardtop. A lot of surface rust. 70 Chevy Impala. Back glass good, back trim good. Y'all lucky I don't got no donk. I'll start stripping this bitch. Y'all so lucky, boy. Yes, sir. Back bumper. Little, I mean, it's got some, it could be cleaned up, probably. I don't know. I just be doing shit. Got some rusting on there. Malibu. Got the gas tank in there. Got the E mufflers. This one look like it's been sitting, man. You got that rust right there. Oh yeah. When you push through it, that's when you know it's real. If you can push through it, that's when you know it's real. Real rust. I don't know what size rear end is on this bed. I'm guessing it's a bigger one. But I don't think that shit is, I mean, would this be a B-body rear end? What's the love pattern on this bitch? I don't know shit about a donk, boy. I don't know shit about a donk. Yeah, damn. LS right, you got to do better, sir. Oh, wow. There's a lot of shit in here. I feel like someone gonna jump out this bitch at me, bro. God damn. Blue seats. Interior look like they had the blue with the sprinkles on the roof. Look like at one time she could have been screaming glory. That is no longer the case. Some got up here and ate this shit up, bro. There's probably a rat off in that hole. I'm finna go and close that door. I'ma go and close that door. I don't know what happened. All these doors got kind of hit, banged up pretty bad. You can see there. Same thing on that one. I was looking for this shit on the other side, man, but clearly they was like, oh yeah, we can get some money out of this one, so we're gonna put it on the fucking premium side. And that's exactly where it's at. Small block, 400 probably. Got the grill there. I don't know if that's worth anything. I'm done buying shit today though. I just came out here to film. I came out here to film and ended up buying shit I wasn't even supposed to be running across finding nothing. I just came out here to film and get a couple parts for the Cutlass cobbler. But no, Junkyard will provide. Nice little trim all around the doors and shit. I ain't never paid attention to this shit. Like I said, bro, I don't know nothing about donks. I do know that there's a fucking hole in the floor. Barney rubbling in this bitch. But somebody, I guarantee you, it's somebody out there in the donk world that's like, bro, I could have fixed that shit. I could have saved it. I could have saved that hoe. Dash all cracked up. Shifter. I mean, you would have had to put some work into it. I mean, if that's looking like that, bro, ain't no telling what the rest of behind this motherfucker look like. I am curious about that red, man. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what fucking size red that is. I would get up there because it's kind of hard to get up under there. I can't really get up under there to fucking count. And it really ain't that serious to me, so I'm just like, whatever. Whatever. Same thing on this side. This is probably the only one that looked to be fucking normal. Like I said, it's just a lot of rust. Impala emblems is there on both sides. 350. I think I was finna say that bitch was like a 400 small block, but it might be a 350. Context clues. Context clues. I think somebody grabbed a bump off this bitch quick. Real quick. Drum brakes all the way around. All the way around. All the way around. That's discouraging. Cause I hate doing drum brakes on just the fucking back. Imagine having to do fucking drum brakes all the way around that bitch. Yeah. But that's how it was in the 70s. How it was in the 70s. Do your little upgrade, you know what I'm saying? Get you some of that new shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like what, 6 lug? It's a fucking Canyon. I don't know why it's a fucking 6 lug. 05. Not too shabby. But that ain't what the fuck we came for. We came for the fucking Impala, 70 Impala. But yeah, let's point out the good. Glass looks to be good. There seems to be some good trim pieces. Handles, doors themselves, nah. Front glass trim, a little bit dented in a couple spots, but I mean, yeah, it's all there. I mean, you might can ping it out, you know what I'm saying, make it great again. The transmission is already gone. Drive shaft is already gone. I'm not exactly sure on that rear end, y'all let me know. Trim on this side is good to go. That's really about it, man. It's a short story, man, and that's kind of all she wrote. That's kind of all she wrote on this one. So oops, that shit bent a little bit. That's not supposed to do that. But yeah, that's a fucking mess in there, bro. I'm surprised somebody fucking jumped out at me. That boy, that's stupid, boy. Y'all boys wild. Y'all niggas, y'all boys wild. Well, yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this one. Shit, I'm finna go on and wrap this bitch up. I don't see nothing else interesting. These are the ones that I came to see. I saw, I conquered. It's your boy, LS Chevy 254. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I'm bringing this footage, I'm bringing this content. Y'all spoke, I listened. You said you wanted more Junkyard shit, well, baby, I'm paying attention a little bit more. I'm getting outside of my bubble and just focusing on old school Chevy shit. Long as it ain't a Ford in the old school, I might bring it to you. It just depends. Depending on how I feel that day. But I ain't gonna bring no food, man. You know, I got a brand. I got a brand that I gotta fucking keep in mind. Can't be out here fucking recording Fords and shit. Hold on, let me walk down here right quick. I seen an LS motor. That bitch look complete. Yerp. Yerp derp. What is that? 4L60 or 80? It's 60 because it only got 3. That's right. That's the quickest way to know. LS fun fact tip, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. And it's here. Yeah, we just grabbed that. We grabbed that in the last video, that cooling crossover for the Cuddy. Getting that Cutlass cobbler ready, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button if y'all ready for that Cutlass. Drop it down in the comments. All that good shit. All that good shit. Alright, let me see. Same thing with this one. That's some good shit, man. They be having some good shit over here on the premium side, especially this yard. But it be higher, and I be not trying to pay that fucking price. So, yeah. Alright, man. Until the next one, it's your boy LS Around 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice and choose by the end. Productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Don't